MBK React. Hey yo, welcome back to MBK React. Bring you episode number 9 to Chainsaw Man Part 1. Last episode, everyone got murked. Makima, damn, what's her name?
Makima?
Yeah,
Makima.
It's been a minute since we watched. Makima, she got clapped. Kobe, she got clapped. The guy that was with Kobe, he got clapped by the old lady too. Hamino, yeah, she's done though.
Gone. Definitely done.
Power, she didn't help at all because she was scared poopless. She didn't know what to do. Denji, he got shot in the head and he didn't wake up for that whole entire fight. Aki, he's probably like done so too because he's like depressed. Yeah, he's depressed. I mean, like, are they still there?
Yeah, they're still there.
Yeah.
Remember she called the snake?
Yeah.
And it just disappeared.
She said leave and the snake disappeared. Nah.
Swallow.
Aki's about to
said swallow.
Yeah, I'm about saying when after she said like leave or something, like go away.
Oh yeah.
And I'm jumping straight into it. You know the dude like type of like subscribe, comment, the bell on for a Chainsaw Man playlist. Get notified about new videos. Next full reaction on Patreon. All month get the full reaction to the Blue Lock Chainsaw and any other show we're watching at the same time at MBK Reacts. Yes, sir. There's gonna be a link in the box. I did.
You did the call.
Okay.
But you ain't messy good.
What are you talking about?
Woke up.
Episode starting again. Episode starting again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Not working.
Bam, disappeared. And she was hella just watching. Give me that.
Swallow it whole.
You saw that?
Yeah, lost her fingernail.
So that's what that what's it called?
Damn, you only losing a finger.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, she must be super. Well, she is. I feel like the stronger the person is, the less of a fee you have to pay.
Hold on.
Yeah, what I'm saying. Her eyes is weird.
Look like a snake, right?
The female.
Or cat. Cat.
She took. I forgot his name.
Wait, Hamino's still alive.
You don't even know what happened.
Man. Yeah, that's what I think. That's what. Wait, where's the opening?
They get straight into it.
Damn.
Here go fight of the year.
Okay, Denji.
Open his. Look at on the end of this.
Blood
From the.
What? Wait, why are you not slicing it?
Be careful with that front blood.
They do not care about him, bro. They'll sacrifice him right now. What are you doing licking him like that, though? Man, he's about to bleed at him.
Damn. Oh shit.
Wait a second.
He said, let me use my speed boost.
Look at him hold it like Pochita.
Where's Aki? Huh.
He was with Kobe. Oh, so Kobe's still alive. She had someone with him too.
Damn.
Oh wait, no, I think that was
last year.
She's done so.
I'm praying. What? Nah, why she get up like that?
Not that.
Why should who are they? Who are these guys?
All the clean niggas got scars.
Tendo.
Oh, so they're...
Yeah, I just had a merc follow me.
Ah, okay. What's her power? Did she say this isn't mine or it isn't mine?
This isn't mine.
This isn't my blood. I wasn't shot.
She just put big ass holes to their bodies.
Wait, what is her power? Because we saw it in her head. She a dinosaur? How the fuck did I say that? What? Hell, I use them as experiments. That's so crazy, bro. Niggas can't talk. That's so fucked. like we're already got life sentences, bro.
You said shut up back there.
Man.
Nigga, one of them niggas actually ain't gonna pull that shit out of his chest.
Why do you react to the crow? Wait, what just happened? wait. So he must have been seeing something.
Oh shit. That nigga said something.
Camino called her bitch last time. What is she doing?
She's sacrificing the convicts. She's using the convicts as sacrifices to kill the other people.
And this was in a trailer. I think his shoes will just die probably. Wait, her power is not normal. Wait.
Oh, they're spooked.
How does she know their names though?
She's not saying the name of Sawatar or whatever her name was.
She probably can't do that to her.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, your name, buddy.
I would have been like, yeah, let me go ahead and just do it now. look at
it. Hey, this show's not normal, bruh. What she said, Denji. Was her double?
She had to get to the highest point with the lowest amount of the highest altitude.
No, that's true too.
Oh,
He shot in the neck, dumbass. Oh, he took a bullet for her. Okay, I respect it.
fucking fight.
Wait. How did she do that?
Oh no. So what is she, a monkey?
She got a monkey dog? Dang!
Why is she really one of the
Wait.
best? No, why is she really one of the best girls?
I mean, like, they say she has the ability, she has no confidence. Look at how she's like. Look at her face, though, bruh.
Foster.
Oh.
No more bullets for Lucky. Denji dead.
I was about to say.
Denji's dead. Who are you talking to?
Oh shit. She's doing with no emotion.
She did that in one motion too. Like one motion. Ain't take no time, nigga. Damn, Power ain't been seen in 3 episodes. Huh?
Is he the one with the scene?
Except for the 9. Okay, all the goats in one group.
That's hella what she wanted, probably. I did not want to work on you. Is her skin paler than everyone else? Wait.
Mikey was weird. We ain't going nowhere.
Hey, well, yeah, that was episode 9 of Chainsaw Man. Right after. Okay, and that was episode 9 of Chainsaw Man. Right in the back. First off, Makima, she could beat Goku. She could beat Goku.
No, stop. Please stop.
It almost looks like it's like the Death Note. You say the name and they die. Like she has the ability to crush them. So what's stopping her from
So
saying?
how come she didn't kill the other two? You think she killing Goku? Goku just gonna instant transmission.
Maybe they don't.
Wow.
Goku's gonna be like,
hey,
oh, I know what she's doing. Instant transmission.
You fool! You fool! Nah, she's definitely not strong enough to.
Yeah, I know because first off, how does she figure out everyone's names besides?
Right.
Or
she needed more.
She needed like a bigger sacrifice. Probably like some type of shit like.
Probably like Denji.
And then bro was like, how much of this did you anticipate? Because
she knew this shit was gonna happen.
Right. And she knew the dudes' names. Like she knew this was gonna happen ever since. I think she knew since that night out they went to eat.
What? Then she went out to eat, or when
they
everyone
all went to drink and shit?
Okay.
She definitely knew she was
That's
gonna
when
get shot.
I think that's when she figured something out.
She wanted all the other not special divisions, the divisions to go under her.
And why was they just talking about how all the if you go into the division you're not gonna survive, and all of them died.
Literally dead.
Literally all of them died.
Folded like laundry.
That shit crazy, bro. This show is insane, and Asa had the nerve to say this show ain't better than whatever he was trying to say. This show.
Yeah, this show not better than what?
He tried to say this show wasn't going to win no awards. Oh my god.
No, I said Jujutsu Kaisen wasn't going to win no awards.
You're lying. But
I said that.
Jujutsu Kaisen is definitely winning awards for next season. Are you crazy? They got Shibuya arc. Are you stupid?
No, Shibuya arc in 2 years. They gotta do the first choir first, and actually no, they're not winning.
For what first?
Choir?
What choir? What are you talking about? That's
first
what
12 episodes.
Season 2 is literally gonna be a.
The first 12
boy,
episodes
Shaboya.
is going to be in the past, probably. The second 12 are going to be
they're gonna be
Shibuya.
at the same time.
It's not the same time. I said the first 12 and the second one.
You don't,
First off,
You
it's
got confirmed for that?
yes, and that's why I said 2-part.
I didn't know that.
And second off, they're going against Attack on Titan next year. They're not winning shit. Attack on Titan is the ending next year. That or the anime.
They changed the ending. The ending.
So that means they're even going to get more rewards.
No, it's gonna be trash. The first ending was the best ending.
Whatever the fuck you think. I don't.
First ending was the best ending. They're gonna change it up. They're gonna add new shit. It's gonna make it worse. I'm not telling you.
Yeah, and code art starts next year
Yeah,
for Boruto.
four different
The
endings.
code art starts for Boruto.
Code arc trash.
No, they say that's gonna break the internet.
They've been saying that for 4 years. Trash.
I mean, like kind of.
Boruto.
I mean, the Barmo broke the internet.
They didn't break shit. 'Cause I still don't know what that is.
Want me to tell you?
Yeah.
Fucking what's his name died?
Come on.
What the fuck? Hey, so that's episode 9 of. I don't know it either because I don't know what Boruto. That was episode 9 of Chainsaw. Hey, that shit Crazy. Denji got folded.
Denji guy.
He said.
Denji's dead.
He started laughing. He said, "Yeah, sit down." He said, "Sit your ass
I
down."
think a flash step and took him down instantly.
He said, wait a minute, where'd he go?
Why did his body slide like that?
Really like freezing.
Say like some fucking salami off of
He said-
fucking off a Subway sandwich.
That's why how it be when they get folded in anime. It's be
Hey, Kobe the best character?
no best girl character.
Kobe is clean.
She-
though.
Well, right now, it's still Makima.
Yeah, damn near Makima, damn near the goal. The goal, the goal, the goal. That's why he's the goal.
You should know what to do if you like the type of content. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the post notification on, and
Ring that bell.
MBK
MBK
out.
out.
See how I had to do that for you?
Wait, I wasn't even done talking yet.